Ride with me, boss. If you know that song, put it in the comments below. What the heck is happening here? Pepe is boss right now. Oh my God, we're going to get into the chart. We're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about what's happening. I love it. I love it. Oh my God, it feels good. Yeah, it feels good. Miss Moneymaker, anything that moves, I am loving this. What the heck happened, people? What happened? Pepe is just doing it well. All right, so I'm excited. This is great. We had a channel going upward, as you can see, going up, okay, and it was riding the channel. Okay, nice and respecting. Respecting the moves like proper price action should, right? But then, what? Around this date here, okay, the day I'm recording this, by the way, this is May 27th. It's a Monday. It's Memorial Day weekend and everything like that. So, since the 20th of May, Pepe said, you know what, people? Hey, hold my damn beer. What? Let me show people the 20th to 21st. Let me show people how this is done. We're looking at the daily time frame over here. Okay, left top corner. So let me show people how it's really done. And it went, prah. It's just, hey, this is how we do. And I'm like, wait, what? What you do? This is how we do. It's like, oh, I just make my moves. I don't stop. I was like, wait, what? Wait, what? So very exciting. So up high, right? So what's going on? What's going on? Well, they were saying that Pepe's market cap has surpassed what? Uniswap, swap, and Litecoin. I can't even talk anymore because if I have to say that Polygon could be next, what? Hold my beer, people. Hold my beer, boss. This is so boss. This is boss. Like, oh my God. I want to smoke a cigar too now. Okay, anyway, back to what are they saying? So they're saying that, but smoking's not good. I'm not saying you should smoke, but smoking a good cigar, you know what that is. But we're not talking about that. So anyway, Pepe was making his waves, okay? Okay, but they saying it could not overtake Matic. The time I'm recording this, and if I look, I don't know, maybe they already did. Maybe they passed Polygon by now. I mean, the time we turn around, maybe they will. Okay? But they're saying that, okay, the market cap nearly reached, what? Sorry, I wrote on top of it. I'm so excited. 7 billion, people. 7 billion. $7 billion, okay, market cap. That's crazy. Okay, so this is the effect of the altcoins 80% rise in the past week. And Pepe is one of the top 20 cryptos. Okay, so outperforming Litecoin. Who's Litecoin? What is that? Okay, Uniswap. Who was that? Okay, regarding the market cap. And at one point during the intraday high, even Matic. What? Boom. Boss. I love it. Okay, so the meme coin, when it crosses the 7.2 billion market cap, then Pepe would pass. What? It would pass Polygon? Oh my gosh. What? I can't. It's like, this is the face right here. This is the face when Matic is like, wait, what are you doing? And Pepe turns around and goes, yeah, boss. Because we're boss like that. I love it. I just wanted to shout it out real quick so you see where it's at. Can't stay up high in the sky forever. Maybe it'll cascade back down here to this area, okay? Maybe this will catch a support and we'll keep going. Maybe we'll see. Okay, so maybe this will be, let's see, I can see it like that, okay? Around this area of the price. Maybe it'll do that. If it doesn't do that, then maybe it'll come down further, okay? Go over here to like where we were here, or maybe further back, okay? When we were at this level, if the other levels don't hold. But right now, enjoy your moment. I'm not saying it's going to do all that. Let's just see. Enjoy your moment, Pepe. Okay? This is it. Smoke the cigar. Lean back. Enjoy yourself. This is Miss Moneymaker. Anything that moves, smoke that cigar. I'm out.